Today, we're going to talk about minerals, which are the building blocks of rocks. Just like Legos can snap together in different ways to build different models, minerals combine in different ways to form all the rocks we see on Earth. Now, how do we tell minerals apart? Scientists don't just look at them, they test them. We use 5 important physical properties to help us identify minerals. Let's go through them one by one. Hardness. This tells us how easily a mineral can be scratched. Imagine scratching something with your fingernail, a penny, or even glass. If the mineral gets scratched easily, it's soft. For example, talc is so soft you can scratch it with just your fingernail. On the other hand, quartz is so hard it can scratch glass. Color. This is the most obvious property. What color do you see? But here's the tricky part. Color isn't always the best clue, because some minerals come in many colors. For example, quartz can be clear, pink, purple, or even black. So, color helps us, but we need more clues. Luster. This describes how light reflects off the mineral's surface. If it shines like metal, we say it has a metallic luster. Think of the shiny surface of a coin. That's metallic. If it looks glassy, pearly, silky, or dull, that's called non-metallic luster. For example, pyrite is metallic, while quartz has a glassy luster. Cleavage. This is about how a mineral breaks. Some minerals break smoothly along flat surfaces, almost like slicing a chocolate bar into neat pieces. Mica is famous for this because it peels into thin, shiny sheets. Other minerals, like quartz, don't break in neat lines. They just fracture. Streak. Finally, we test the streak color. This is the color of the powder the mineral leaves behind when you scratch it across a streak plate, which is a piece of unglazed porcelain. Sometimes the streak color is very different from the mineral's outside color. For example, pyrite looks golden like fool's gold, but its streak is actually black or greenish-black. Now, let's meet the 7 minerals you need to know. Quartz are very hard, glassy luster, and no cleavage. Feldspar. These are hard, light-colored, and breaks along flat surfaces. Mica are soft, shiny, and peels into thin sheets. Calcite are soft, breaks flat, and even fizzes in acid. Talc, the softest mineral, feels greasy or soapy. Pyrite are shiny metallic, also called fool's gold, with a dark streak. Graphite are soft, dark streak, and used in pencils. So, remember, by testing hardness, color, luster, cleavage, and streak, we can identify minerals. And when different minerals join together, they make the rocks that form the surface of our Earth.